Hello, my students. Welcome to my class again. Please, I need that you open your notebook with the date, July 2020, topic, intentions, performance, use of going to, page 43. Okay, if you don't finish that, you can stop the video and copy that. And continue. Going to express intention for the future. Lo que quieres hacer en un futuro, ¿ok? Es un futuro cercano y cierto, lo que estás como decidido a hacer, la intención que tienes. Ok. Be going to. Be, this is verb to be. Going to is the expression or the future. And we continue. Today is the grammar class. Vamos a ver la gramática que vamos a utilizar en la página 43, ¿ok? Y después, en las próximas clases, aplicamos todo este conocimiento en this activity. Ok, continue in English. Ok, going to affirmative. Look, the personal pronouns I, he, she, it, we, you, they, with the verb to be. Remember that we say that be, verb to be, going to? In this case, with personal pronouns, I am, verb to be, am, is, are. I am, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. Affirmative form. O in short form. This is full form o short form, lo que les he dicho aquí que se contrae, ¿ok? I'm, okay? He is. This is, but you don't write is. Contraction and are, okay? I need that you copy that in your notebook, please. Copy that. Vamos a copiarlo y colocamos going to. Okay? Continue with examples. Look, I'm going to eat. Entonces, lo que les decía antes, de I, he, she, and it, no es necesario que copien todos los cuadros, solamente este, que ya trae el resumen de todo, ¿ok? Entonces, I am going to eat. He is going to eat, or she's going to eat, it's going to eat, or we are going to eat. This is the baby, and he is going to eat, okay? This is the future, and in affirmative form. Okay, I need that you copy that, and continue with examples. I'm going to fly to Moscow. Look, es una intención que él tiene de ir a Moscú. I am going to fly. Voy a ir a volar. I'm going to fly. Voy a ir to Moscow. Here, they are going to get married. They are married. They are going to get married. Se van a casar, ellos se van a casar. And now, this is the dentist. He is going to the dentist. He is going to visit the dentist. Okay? And these are the examples for today. Bye, my students.